Did you know a recent study revealed the average freelancer earns a shockingly high annual income? Intrigued? There's more to this story. This video unveils the secrets to unlocking your own freelance fortune. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is all about taking control of your career path, freelancing. Feeling stuck in the office grind? Longing for flexibility and freedom? Then freelancing might just be the answer. This video will be your guide to the world of freelancing. We'll cover everything from identifying your skills to landing your first client and building a successful freelance business. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a complete newbie curious about the possibilities, grab your headphones and let's dive in. The freelance dream. Let's explore why freelancing is so appealing. First and foremost, it's about freedom. You get to choose your projects, set your schedule, and work from anywhere in the world with a decent internet connection. Secondly, freelancing allows you to be your own boss. No more micromanaging or office politics. You call the shots and build a career based on your values and goals. Finally, freelancing has the potential to be incredibly rewarding. Not only can you set your own rates and earn competitive pay, but you also get the satisfaction of building something truly your own. Freelancer 1. Freelancing gave me the flexibility to travel the world while still working on projects I love. Freelancer 2. Being my own boss has been a game changer. I'm finally in control of my career path. Freelancer 3. Seeing a client happy with my work is an amazing feeling. Finding your niche. Okay, so you're interested in freelancing. But where do you even begin? The first step is to identify your skills and passions. What are you good at? What are you excited to learn more about? There are countless freelance opportunities available, from writing and editing to graphic design and web development. Chances are, you have a valuable skill set that can be monetized. Once you know your strengths, it's time to find your niche. This is the specific area of freelancing where you'll focus your expertise. For example, maybe you're a great writer with a passion for health and wellness. You could specialize in creating content for health blogs and fitness websites. Building your brand. Now that you know your niche, it's time to build your brand. Think of yourself as a small business. You need to create a professional online presence that showcases your skills and experience. Here are some key things to consider. Create a website or portfolio. This is your digital storefront. Showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and make it easy for potential clients to contact you. Optimize your social media profiles. Use platforms like LinkedIn and Behance to connect with potential clients and build your reputation within your niche. Start a blog. Optional. Blogging allows you to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients who are searching for solutions to their problems. Building a strong brand takes time and effort, but it's an essential part of attracting freelance clients. Finding clients. The hustle is real. All right, you've got your skills honed and your brand polished. Now the real fun begins. Finding clients. There are several ways to find freelance work, and the best approach often involves a combination of strategies. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with freelance professionals. These platforms can be a great way to land your first few clients, but be prepared for some competition and potentially lower rates. Direct outreach. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly. Research companies or individuals who might need your services and send them a personalized pitch. Highlight your skills and experience and explain how you can solve their specific problems. Networking. Building relationships within your industry is crucial. Attend industry events, connect with people online, and let your network know you're available for freelance work. Cold calling, optional. This approach can be effective depending on your industry. Research potential clients and make well-prepared calls to introduce yourself and your services. Remember, finding clients takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't land a project overnight. Be persistent, keep putting yourself out there, and refine your approach as you go, landing your first client and beyond. So, you've landed your first freelance client. Congratulations. Now what? Here are some key things to keep in mind. Communication is key. Maintain clear and consistent communication with your client throughout the project. Regularly update them on your progress and address any concerns they may have. Deliver high-quality work. Meeting deadlines and delivering exceptional work is vital for building a positive reputation and attracting future clients. Be professional. Treat your freelance business like a professional operation. This includes invoicing clients on time, managing your time effectively, and maintaining a positive and courteous attitude. By following these tips, you'll ensure a smooth experience for both you and your client. This will increase your chances of getting positive feedback, referrals, and repeat business. Building a sustainable freelance business freelancing isn't just about landing a few gigs. The goal is to build a sustainable business that provides you with a long-term income stream. Here are some strategies to consider. Invest in your skills. Stay up to date on the latest industry trends and continue to develop your skills. This will allow you to take on more complex projects and command higher rates. Diversify your income. Don't rely on just one client. Actively seek out new clients and projects to create a more stable income flow. Set competitive rates. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and set your rates accordingly. Don't undervalue your skills and experience. Building a successful freelance business takes time and dedication. But with the right approach and hard work, you can achieve the freedom and flexibility you've always desired. Freelancing can be an incredibly rewarding career path. It allows you to be your own boss, pursue your passions, and build a business on your own terms. If you're looking for a change and are willing to put in the effort, freelancing might just be the perfect fit for you. Ready to start your freelance journey? Download our free Freelance Starter Kit in the description below. It includes helpful resources and templates to get you started. So you will learn freelancing from this video, but can freelancing be done in an easy way, and can money be earned with the help of AI? I have described that in my previous video, so do go and watch that video as well. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you on your freelance journey.